Welcome to this short training video. Today, we'll be introducing you to your new self-service portal for IT support. This will be a great resource for you going forward to receive timely support from your technology team, in addition to accessing commonly requested resources. Upon logging into the portal here, you'll land on the page that we're looking at on my screen. This is the new ticket page. This is if you have any kind of day-to-day issue that you need to report to the technology team. We're not asking you for a lot here, just who you are. So that's our requester field toward the top. Our subject, just putting in a test ticket here, letting them know I'm having trouble with the printer. And then a description. Please enter as much information as you can here. It can only help the team troubleshoot and reach a solution for you that much quicker. Include when the issue started, if there's other people impacted, screenshots are helpful, attachments are helpful, really as much information as you could provide. So it looks a lot like an email so far, right? Pretty simple. Below that, you'll see the option to select a category. This just helps to route these tickets to the correct team as fast as possible. So in this example of the options given, applications, hardware, network operations, I think hardware makes the most sense. I'm then presented with an option to choose a subcategory. There's my printer option. So again, making a good decision there in our category, subcategory menus can only help this ticket get to the right place faster. I'll create our ticket. A couple things are going to happen. So you'll, land on the My Tickets page. I'm an administrator, so I'm seeing everything. You won't see all these test tickets. You'll just see your own tickets. You'll also receive an email notification. So both times you'll see the option for what your actual ticket number is for reference. So I'm on ticket number 69 here. And you can always come back to this page, check in on the status of your ticket, communicate back with the team. You're also able to do that from our home page here. So you can see my requests, both active and closed. I got to this home page just through that home icon in the upper left-hand corner. But if the team helped you with a similar issue, maybe a few weeks, a few months ago, you can find that under the closed section. I wanted to come back and check in on the status of my ticket. Know that you can always leave notes. You can comment back to the team. Post that, and they'll be in communication with you either through the comments section here or by emailing you. We talked about a new ticket. I mentioned earlier you'd be able to find some helpful resources here. That's pulling from a place that we refer to as the knowledge base, and that's given to you in this light bulb icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Click into that icon. We're going to see a handful of knowledge articles to choose from. These are going to include walkthrough guides, maybe some videos to help you find your way and find a solution on your own. So again, small list to choose from here, and it's broken up by category. So as time goes on and the team adds more knowledge base articles, breaking it up by category is going to be very helpful just to help you find it quicker. But you can see there's 3 different search bars just on this screen alone. So a lot of ways to find what you're looking for. Talked about a ticket, we talked about the knowledge base. We also have the concept of a request. So earlier we put in that printer ticket because something was broken. I had an issue that we couldn't really plan for. The new request section here are items that we should be able to plan for. These are going to be specific requests, maybe for a piece of hardware, maybe for specific access. And these requests are going to have more of a templated form. There's more information that the team's going to require from you up front. So if I go into this request audio web meeting request, you can see I'm asked for a lot more information than what we saw earlier. Earlier it was just a category, subcategory. Now it's more of a dedicated form. And then when this is submitted, there can be approvals on the back end. There can be tasks for the team to fulfill it. That just helps the ticket get to the right place on time and then helps them provide that solution to you faster. And you'll see there are required fields up and down this page. So if I were to go in and not fill in a field, I'll get an error message that'll let me know that I did miss a field and what I need to go back and address. So in this example here, I'll go through and I'll give some answers, but I didn't give every answer. Hit request item and I was missing that start and end time. So again, big difference there between the ticket and the request. But think about the request anytime you actually need some sort of access. You need to request something, maybe hardware or that access scenario. So that's a couple of ways to reach out to the team. There's another option as well. It's been following us around this whole time. Lower right-hand corner, that blue bubble there is a chat feature. So this is going to open up a chat with one of your technology agents so they can help you out in real time there. And then we touched on it earlier, but I'll finish on it as well. Back in that home page is where we tie it all together. So this is where you can search for your issue. You can see maybe announcements in case there's any sort of outage going on at the current time. Check in on those previous requests like we saw earlier. Highlighted services, this is going to be the most frequently requested items. So just bumping those to the top of the list, putting those front and center for you. Also highlighted solutions here, that's pulling from that knowledge base. So any of those FAQ type articles where you can access a resource and maybe get the answer on your own, those are going to live here on the home page as well. Hope this is going to be a helpful training for you going forward. I think the system is going to be a great success there. If you have any questions, please reach out to the technology team. They'll be happy to point you in the right direction. Thanks.